Welcome to our last punny Valentine's Day drawing. Miss Niki here from Studio CIA, and today it is a spider. So jump right in and follow along. We're gonna start with the circle shape of her body and her little bow. So I'm doing it very, very lightly because I just wanted to get the shape of her body in there. I'm gonna add my bow, a little rounded rectangle. Off of each corner, like I was gonna make a letter X, I'm gonna add my little teardrop shapes, the side of a heart, and then coming down to the other side. And you've got your dimensional bow. I added adorable little hearts onto it and polka dots. Just to make people sure that this is a happy spider. Then I give my spider some fluff. Because, I mean, what is a good spider if it's not fluffy? We're ready to give her a face. I did cute little eyes and a nose, again, trying to make it feel more sweet and innocent. Then we just need to add the legs, which are like a spread out letter V or like a tent top. And then we come back and connect. Now the secret is trying to keep these the same width. I'm gonna do 4 on each side. There's some fun punny sayings that go with this one. So be sure to download that file from the description so you can turn this little spider into the perfect Valentine's Day gift or card. Add a little heart, and then we're ready to go back through our drawing. We're gonna start with the bow to one side, rounded rectangle, and then teardrops. I'll come back and outline my hearts when I get to my little Sharpie, ultra fine. Do the body. Eyes. And then we're going to add the legs. Because I already have mine in pencil, I will go through this in slightly different order than when I draw it, just because it's easier on my wrist. But when I'm drawing it, I need to have it all together. But now I can do each section of the leg separately, and it gives me a little bit more control. Because these are underneath, I can do the bottom line separate from the top. Just difference in how your arm moves and how you position yourself, I guess. Give her a nice big heart. Add her bow details. And you've got a punny Valentine's Day spider. I hope you had fun with this drawing. Be sure to like and subscribe our channel if you want to see more creative content like this. See you in the next video.